Right, so today we're going to do a Chinese diesel heater install. This is in the back of my 1996 demountable camper, which is in my Dodge Ram. And what we want to do is, we want to keep this original like looking grill, but strip the boiler out. Currently, the boiler just serves as a source of heat. We heat our hot water up off the stove. The hot tap isn't actually connected to anything. But I want to keep it original looking, so somehow I want to be able to keep this grill on the front, take the guts out behind it. And we've got been on eBay and got the diesel heater kit, a little 2 kilowatt. So hopefully that's what this video is going to be about. So we'll start off by stripping this out and whatnot, and then we'll see where we get to. As you can see, we've got boiler out. Plenty of room for activities back there. That's the old flue. So we might make some sort of platform to mount it on, or it might even go down there. We'll see what we can do. Be back in a bit. So we've took the camper off the truck, drawn it forward a bit, because on this side, you can't really see at the minute. I'll get a light set up, but this is where the fuel tank's going to sit, and then under here, up there somewhere, we'll have the exhaust and stuff coming through. But just need to do some measuring up and stuff first. Bit more tidying up to do in here. Gonna do a bit of DIN rail and some terminals along there. But we've got the pump primed, pumps in, tanks filled, a bit more. Gonna turn this into a cupboard now, I think. So this wiring is hung up here at the minute. Eventually there'll be a shelf in here, and I'm gonna do a false door. I think that's what I'm gonna do. Rather than put the grill back on, and then I've just got to decide where we're gonna put the vents. But yeah, pump's primed. We're gonna try and run it up now, and go from there. Fans kicking in, pumps kicking in. Hopefully it should start kicking out some heat soon. That's it running at the minute. You can hear the fuel pump, but you can't really hear that fuel pump inside. I'm well impressed. It's just the standard pump, but I was worried about this getting hot, but this is cold. There's no heat on this. It's just blowing out that way, like, that's hot. And even that, like where my hand is in that paint, it's cold. But I'm gonna get a sleeve to go over this exhaust, I think. Well, that's hot. Yeah, I'm well impressed with that. So good. Then we go inside. Whew, it's stinky. It's lovely in here. Oh my god, I can't believe how warm it is. Oh, it's lovely. And it didn't take long to warm up, a few minutes. So I got finished where I'm going to put these. Probably in here, in this bit. And then in the back now, I just need to do those a bit better. That's the old flue for the boiler. But the controller I managed to wire up in the old stat location, which is cool, so it's far enough away. And it says 10 degrees in here, but it feels warmer than that. It's lovely. Oh, it's so good. But you can't even hear that pump. I don't know what people are on about. The pump, the bloody fan's louder than the pump. The bottom here, I think up here on the bed, you ain't even gonna hear it at all. Brilliant. I can't believe it, it's so good. And then we go in here, because I'm just going to let it run up for a minute anyway. I don't know how long 2 litres is going to last me. That's what I've got in there, about 2 litres. So that was the old battery that was in there. And this is the new one. It's a massive improvement. It fills it right up. So good. I've got some new terminals coming, so I'll sort those out. But oh my god, that brown, the 10mm feed is for the heater. Don't think it needs it, but I'll just put it in anyway. Ooh. A special safe security Securo lock. Anyway, I'm gonna sleep in there tonight and see what happens. Got my carbon monoxide alarm in there and that, so we're all good in that sense. So we're a bit further on. I've cut my holes for my heating vents, and I've changed my idea now. I think I'm going to put a cupboard in here. I've lost my phone and misplaced it somewhere. Anyway, that's the intake. That's where the heat blows out. We've got a bit of wiring to tidy up in here. I'm going to put I've got some heat shield, so it's got a bit of tidying up here to do. Like we said a minute ago, bit of heat shield to put down there to protect the wiring, and then just tidy up. So we'll put the time lapse on and we'll go from there. So it's been a minute. We've got I've put the wiring in here in some like thermal, like heat wrap stuff. I've put other bits that get hot with this heat shield, and I've also made a drawer to go in here, which we'll put in a minute. That's the secondary fuse box for the heater, but we've got spare ways on there for other things if we need to in the future. And what I've done is, rather than put a cupboard in, I put a drawer in so we can get it out if we need to work on it and stuff. And I've left that in there just to get a bit of airflow in here and stuff. So we'll get the drawer in and we'll have a look, see how it looks. Finished. That's it. We've got our vents here for our diesel heater, and then this is where the boiler was, and I was going to put a cupboard here, but I went with the drawer in the end with some runners that I'd saved from another job. It's a bit rough, but it's perfect. I can take the drawer out if I need to. I can still see behind. It's perfect. Oh, it's so good. I'm well happy with how that's turned out, and I like how simple it is as well. And that's it. That's my diesel heater done. Thanks for watching.